Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So I recently got access to Robinhood's Cash Management account. It basically is just a bank account for the funds that you have on the Robinhood app that is not invested in stocks. So today I'm going to show you what that looks like. When you have access to the Robinhood Cash Management feature, you will be sent a Robinhood debit card. So you're able to choose from several different styles. I decided to go for this style. And the Robinhood app has a section that says free ATM. So you could use your Robinhood Cash Management debit card to be able to withdraw cash from your Robinhood Cash Management account. And from what I'm seeing, it seems to be a bunch of PNC ATMs in my area. So be sure to look into which ATMs that you could withdraw without having to pay any fees. In addition to, you could use this for any normal purchases that you would use a debit card for. For me, I just have this in my wallet in case I am near an ATM that I could just withdraw money from my cash management account. And to my knowledge, you do not have to pay any fees on your Robinhood Cash Management account. So how did I get access to this? I basically just deposited money into Robinhood on a near daily basis, and I was actively investing, which moved me up on the cash management list, and eventually I was able to get the debit card. Let's go on my phone and I'll show you exactly what the Robinhood Cash Management account looks like. Okay, so here we are on the Robinhood app. I currently don't have any money invested in stocks because, quick disclaimer, not a financial advisor, just merely some guy on the internet who is investing in stocks. So I decided to pull out all my stocks for the time being, and I'm just waiting to get access to certain stocks at a better price. Currently, I am at 100% in cash on my Robinhood portfolio. So as you can see on the screen, you'll see that there is a new cash section. So it tells you how much cash you currently have access to in your Robinhood account. The second tab here on the bottom is going to be your Robinhood Cash Management account. As you can see, you have the buying power, which is how much money you have access to in order to purchase stocks. So let's click on it. And then you can see all my recent history in terms of selling stock or purchasing stock. So let's X out of that. And then you'll see on the right-hand side how much money you have access to be able to withdraw or spend. So clicking on that, again, it'll give you your recent history of what you have done. And I'm assuming if I make any type of debit card purchases or withdrawals, it'll show up on this section here. So let's X out of that. So here, transfer button, let's see what that looks like. At this point, you could transfer to, bank account, schedule automatic deposits, etc. So scrolling down here, you could actually see that you could use your Robinhood Cash Management account to pay bills or to receive a direct deposit. So you have your ACH account number and then your routing number, which I will be blurring out for this video, but that's where it is. So scrolling down a little bit here, I'm going to be pretty careful with what I show you guys, just so I don't show you guys any personal information or account information. So you can see that the money that you have in your account will sweep into your cash management account, and then you will start accruing interest. So at this point in time, as I'm recording this video, I am receiving 0.3% APY, and you can click on the more information button at the very top. You'll see how much money that you have in your cash management account that's swept over. So it's not going to reflect the same amount that was at the very top. I do believe that 825 number was how much I had in cash like a couple days ago. Periodically, the Robinhood Cash Management account will sweep the amount of money you have in cash into the cash management account to be able to start accruing interest. If you would like more information on that, feel free to do a Google search and it will provide a lot more information than I can. So I'm gonna click on done here. So as you can see how much money I'm currently accruing in interest. Now this number has been steadily going up as the amount of cash that I have in my cash management account, and interest is paid monthly. So I'm going to be keeping my cash in this cash management account just to start accruing some interest, which is going to be much higher than the standard checking and savings account. So scrolling down here, you'll see the debit card that you actually ordered. In addition to, you could report problems, or like I said earlier, find free ATMs that you could have access to. So I'm not going to click that because it will show you where I am on the map, but it will show you like within a certain mile radius, like, hey, you have this ATM here. It's about like a mile or 2 miles away from you. That's where you need to go. Let's see what report problem prompts to. So here you can see report problem leads you to my card was stolen, my card was lost, damage, I just need some general help. So that's good to know that that feature is currently there. So scrolling down to the very bottom, you can see more history of what I recently did with my account. In addition to, you could have access to that information that we referenced before, paying bills or direct deposit information. So overall, I am very happy with the way that this cash management system is set up, and I look forward to actually using this as another bank account for me. I'm just going to keep the money in there, and it's going to continue to accrue some interest for me, in addition to being able to have the funds there for when I'm able to, or when I'm comfortable buying into the stock market again. So if you're interested on investing on Robinhood or Webull, feel free to use my referral link in the description below, and you'll get 1 free stock for opening your account on Robinhood. You'll get 2 free stocks on Webull, 1 for opening your account, the second one for depositing $100 or more. If you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to hit that like button. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.